what I want to show you are the free assets that you can find inside the Pack Manager once you install it. And this includes a bunch of stuff that you can find on this free section here. Especially what I love about this plugin is the sound library. You can see AEJuice has a rich sound effect library right here, which you can use in your project. Now, once you install this plugin, all you do is come to Windows, Extension, and you click right at AEJuice Pack Manager 4 right here, and it opens up to all the library that you have. So at the beginning, if you haven't purchased anything, you will definitely have the free section open for you, and the other ones will be available for you. Like right now it's on the 98% sale, but also I do have an affiliate that you can click on the link below, which can give you also a 98% discount. I do have a TikTok video here that I want to add sound effects to, and straight what I need to do is just come here, search for the sound effects for free here, and you can see we have a bunch of sound effects that we can pick from, that we can choose from. And straight off the bat, looking at my project, right?
Did you know low blood flow might be the real reason?
So off the bat here, I want to have some whoosh sound effects coming in as
Low blood.
Dava pulls up to the screen here, to the frame. So I will go down and look for whooshes. You can see we have whooshes right here. And if you just hover your mouse across the sound effects, you can feel like they auto play. All you need to access them on your timeline by clicking on this download arrow icon. And if you click on it, it will download the file and set it to your track on the timeline. Simple as that. All I need now to do is just do some adjustments here on the timeline while this one is entering. So I'll just hover over again, take maybe this one, dark whoosh. Play. See, it's already in my timeline. Adjust it to where I want it to be. And what's crazy about this is if once you download these audio files, right, and you go check them on your folder, you will have the audio clip downloaded right into your project folder here. And add this in. I like this one.
Did you know low blood flow might be the real reason behind low energy?
Now this is just a sound library. You can actually check out all this other bunch of stuff here. Like for example, here we have the liquid elements here, and once you have your mouth you get a quick preview. But if I click on this download icon here, it will do a quick download and then it will open up the library. Now you can see all your liquid animations are right here. For example, I can come here to experiments here and then choose this red explosion, right? Click on it, download, and then it will appear right on the track here near where my playhead is. Now what I want to do with this is add it right at
Did you know low
of this animation, right? I'm gonna adjust it. Okay. And then when you click on it, you can see on the effects controls here, you have all the controls you can change here. I think I'm gonna scale it down. Change the position here.
Did you know low blood flow? Did you know low
I like what I see here.
blood flow?
What you can do is you can actually render and replace this so it can be easier to play on your computer. So right click on the clip and then come to render and replace, and then I'll choose the video clip. Format will be QuickTime, and then I'm going to just leave the rest here and click OK. Before it was transparent and it was, but right now it has this black because we have it has this black background. I'm going to right click and click on screen, and you can see right now.
Did you know low blood flow might be the
It blends very well with my animation.
Did you know low blood flow might be the real reason?
There are a lot of assets that you can go and check out here on AEJuice, and right now it's on a 98% sale. This is a Black Friday sale. It comes every year, but I do have an affiliate link that you can check out on the description down below. So if you want to support the channel and check that out, but also get a crazy discount even after Black Friday goes, check out the link below and you can get yourself 98% off this plugin. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do here. Newspaper templates here, you have this crazy animations, you got title collections here, you got retro effects, you got VFX here, you got all the bunch of crazy stuff you can use to upgrade your project. So go check it out. And what's crazy is that the free section of this Pack Manager is actually crazy good, especially when comes to the sound effects pack here. I really love this sound effects. So downloading and installing the Pack Manager is actually a win-win situation, even if you are not going to purchase this. But you can actually just click on the link below and get yourself some free assets and go out there and do something awesome.